Hello, my name is Beverley Cheng and I'm here with CBC Life and the CBC Creator Network to bring you a brand new series, Fit for Me. I'm here to show you that you do not have to just give up on your workout routine just because you don't have the same amount of time to get in a longer session. We have 15 minutes today. We're gonna pick up the pace. We're gonna get in a killer workout and you're gonna feel so good by the end of it. So let's get started. All right, 15 minutes on the clock. Starting now, we are going to get in a little warm up, just jogging on the spot with me. Good, you can go back and forth on your mat if you want. Just make sure you're getting those arms moving. You're kind of picking up the feet a little bit. And we're gonna get into some butt kicks. So bring those heels to your butt. Don't cheat here. Get those arms moving a little bit more. Nice job. 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna go into high knees. I'm already feeling warm. Good job. All right, let's bring it up, high knees. Going a little bit faster this time. Good job. Try to get those knees up to your hips. And we're gonna jog it out again for 20 more seconds. We're gonna go through that series one more time. Whew. Good job. Stay on those toes. Can't just jump right into a workout. We wanna get our body a little bit warmed up. All right, butt kicks, a little faster this time. Feeling it in your hamstrings. We are going to push ourselves a little bit harder in this workout to make up for the lack of time. All right, final set, high knees. Let's go. Breathe it out with me. Come on. Arms moving fast. Nice job. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and coming down. We're gonna squat, pulse, hips back and up. Good. Squat, pulse, hips back, up. So we're getting into a few exercises here, but still getting in some dynamic stretching. So drive those knees out, back on those hips and up. Good, shoulders back, chest high, doing good. Woo, halfway. Keep that spine nice and flat. Weight on the heels and feel it is in your butt as you push back and you stand up. Feel that butt squeeze. 15 seconds. Woo, beautiful job. 5 seconds, 3, 2, and coming down to the mat. We're gonna come up to our feet, do a little jump, back down. If you can't do the jump, you're gonna come up to your feet, up, back down. Make it work for you, come on. Feet, up, down, or feet, jump, and down. Gonna give our little leggies a break after this one. Keep it going. Proud of you, come on. I'm here to show you just how hard you can work in 15 minutes. My leg's already tired. This feels harder than a full-length workout, come on. 5 seconds, 3, 2, and good. Coming down to your mat. We're gonna do a downward dog. Come forward, 10 mountain climbers. 4, good. Downward dog, 10. Good work. As you do that downward dog, try to get that spine towards your knees. Beautiful.
Still getting in some dynamic stretching. 20 seconds left. Get those shoulders over the wrists. 5. Beautiful. 10 seconds left. All right, last 5. 3, 2, and break. 30-second break. Get a sip of water. We're going to go into stationary lunges with 5 pulses. So we're gonna do 5, then we're gonna switch. 5 pulses. Are you ready? Going in 10 seconds. Ooh. In 3, 2, let's go. Left foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2. If you can't do the jump, watch me now. Feet together, switch. If you can do the jump, do it with me. Good. Nice. 4, 5, whew, and switch halfway. How are those legs feeling? Oh, we're almost there. 20 more seconds left. Keep pushing. You got this. You wanted a workout that was gonna push you, and I've got it. 2, 1. Oh, come on, you got 5 seconds. Let's burn it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Hands straight up, high knees. 30 seconds. Let's go. Ooh. Just like in the warm-up, with an added twist to make it a little harder. Get those hands up. You've got 15 seconds. Keep it going. Nice job. 5 seconds. Then we're down on the mat in a plank and break. So high plank, come down to your forearms and up. 1 minute. All right, go for it. I'm gonna wipe my sweat because this is getting sweaty. Down and up. Placing those hands where your elbows were. Good. If this is too hard, down on your knees and do it on your knees. Come on. 30 seconds left. Keep it going. Push through. You're almost there. 10 seconds left. And 5, 3, 2, and break. Good job. We're coming to the mat. Coming down to a crunch, punch, punch. Come on. Crunch, punch, punch. Use those arms. If it makes you feel better, you can imagine my face. If you're dying right now, imagine giving me a little punch. Maybe not in my face. You can punch me in the belly. Come on. Let's go. Beautiful. This next one, we're gonna stay down on the mat, alternating leg extensions. 15 seconds. Good. Right in front, big punch. 3, 2, and break. Come down to the mat, alternating leg extensions. Legs at 90 degrees. 1 minute of work. 30-second rest. We are coming up to 10 minutes. I'm so proud of you for getting it in today, even though you're short on time. Doing awesome. 30 seconds left. Extend that leg out. The other leg stays at a 90-degree angle. Come on. "20 seconds. Woo. If your lower core is burning, I'm right there with you. 5 seconds now. Come on, finish strong. 3, 2, and we have a 30-second rest period. Woo. Great job. All right. We have hand release push-ups coming up. So you're gonna want some space in front of you. All right. You're gonna be down on the mat. We're gonna go for 10 seconds. You're gonna reach your arms out in front, place them by your ribs, and push up. If you can't push up from your feet, push up from your knees. We're going in 3, in 2, let's go. Reaching out, hands by your side, and up. Good, I'll show you from the knees. Pushing up in one motion, come on. Drive your toes into the mat. 1 minute. Core tight. Good. Reach out and back. Elbows tight to the body. Make sure you're pushing up in one motion, not 2. 20 seconds. Come on. 5, 3, 2, and flipping onto your back, glute bridges. Work that butt. Come on, heels down. 1 minute here. A 30-second pause after that. Doing so good. Drive those hips up, hold for a second, back down. Squeeze the butt at the top, and then keep it squeezed as you come down. You want to protect that lower back. Good. Whew. Are you sweating? Because I am definitely sweating. You are almost finished with today's workout. Less than 3 minutes left. You're gonna have crushed this 15-minute workout. You're gonna feel so proud of yourself for getting it in. You're gonna get on with the rest of your day or your evening. 3, 2, and hold. 30-second hold. Come on. After this, we haven't done it yet. It was gonna come. We have 1 minute of burpees. I'll show you a modification if you need, but make sure you're just pushing those hips up. Once this 30 seconds is done, I want you up on your feet and into the burpees. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's go with me now. Come on. So jumping, if you need a modification, you're just gonna jump your feet out and in, just a sprawl. Come on. Jump. Good. Keep pushing. Get those feet all the way in. Big jump up. Good. Come on, you're doing awesome. You're so close to the end. 20 seconds left. Push through. Ten. 3, 2, and hold. High plank. 1 minute. This is the hard one. Oh, I love combining a cardio exercise like burpees and going straight into an exercise where you have to hold it because your heart is beating so fast, but now you're forced to slow it down. If this is hurting your wrist, you can go down to your forearms. Oh, is anyone sweating as much as me? Let's get a little towel under here. Whew.
Good job. Over halfway. Last 20 seconds. If you've dropped, come on, get up. You got 15 seconds left, that's it. That's all you have to do today. You're amazing. You got 5. Count it out. 4, 3, 2, and done. 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, great work. Oh, I am exhausted. I feel ready for the rest of my day. I feel rejuvenated. Great job on finishing that with me. So proud of you. Make sure to check out cbc.ca/life to see what else there is, and head to the YouTube channel for more videos like these. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you in your next video. Goodbye.